Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? With a blend of traditional design elements, such as arched Gothic ceilings, and modern ones, such as floor-to-ceiling, blink, design splits the difference between old and new, a mixture that is increasingly seen in home interiors in the US. So looking at this sentence, we can see that this sentence has one independent clause, and there's an introductory phrase which begins with a blend of traditional design elements and ends with such as floor-to-ceiling windows. So typically, to separate an introductory clause from the rest of the sentence, there is a comma after the introductory clause. So the answer choice that is ideal or best for this blank would highlight a comma after this introductory clause. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Windows, semicolon, transitional. This is incorrect, because for a semicolon to be viable in this case, there must be two independent clauses. But in this case, in this sentence, there is only one independent clause, which is this whole sentence. Therefore, a semicolon cannot be used in this place. So we can eliminate A. B. Windows dash transitional. This is incorrect, because a dash is typically used at the end of a sentence to highlight some extra information, or it is often paired with another dash to highlight a extra phrase that is unnecessary to the meaning of the sentence. But in this case, as there is no other paired dash, and this blank is not located at the end of the sentence, this dash is not viable. So B can be eliminated as well. C. Windows, period, transitional. This is incorrect, because, like A, for a period to be viable in this case, there must be two independent clauses. But here there's only one independent clause, with a introductory phrase. Therefore, a period cannot be used here. So C can be eliminated. D. Windows, comma, transitional. This is the correct answer, because earlier we mentioned that this sentence has an introductory phrase, and typically, to separate an introductory phrase from the rest of the sentence, a comma is placed after the end of an introductory phrase. So because this properly uses a comma after Windows, which separates the introductory phrase from the rest of the sentence, D is the correct answer.